channel. Myself Dinesh. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, section Audi, subject Applied Physics, subject code BPHYS 102, library ID 23CS1815. Let we discuss about contents in laser. Contents are meaning of laser, information about laser cooler, barcode scanner, laser printer. Let us discuss about laser, a device that generates an intense beam, a coherent monochromatic light, or other electromagnetic radiation by stimulated emission of photons from excited atoms or molecules. Lasers are used in drilling and cutting, alignment and guidance, and in surgery. The optical properties are exploited in holographic reading barcodes and in recording and playing compact discs. Laser cooler. Cooler includes a number of techniques where atoms, molecules, and small mechanical systems are cooled with laser light. The directed energy of laser is often associated with heating materials. Example, laser cutting. So it can be counterintuitive that laser cooling often result in a simple temperature approaching absolute zero. Laser cooling relies on the change in momentum when an object such as an atom absorbs and re-emits a photon, a particle, a particle of light. For an assemble of particles, their thermodynamics temperature is proportional to the variance in their velocity. That is, more homogeneous velocities among particles correspond to a lower temperature. The 1997 Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded the Claude Cohen, Thanodij, Stephen Chu, and William Daniel Phillips for development of methods to cool and trap atoms with laser light. Application of laser cooling. High resolution spectroscopic measurement example of for frequency standards in optical clocks based on ultra-cold ions and atoms by the elimination of Doppler broadening, studying the behavior of ultra-cold gases which can exhibit interesting phenomena such as Bose-Einstein coordination. For example, quantum optics research and application in quantum information technologies. Example, quantum computing. Ultra precise measurement of gravitational fields. Use example for gravitational physics or for oil field expansion based on Doppler shift of free falling cold atoms on Bloch oscillation. Lithography with cold atomic beams to form very accurately controlled structure. Barcode scanner. A barcode reader or barcode scanner is an optical scanner that can read printed barcodes, decode the data contained in the barcode to a computer like a flatbed scanner. It consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor for translating optical impulses into electrical signals. Additionally, nearly all barcode readers contain decoder circuitry that can analyze the barcode image that provided by the sensor and send the barcode's content to the scanner output part. Advantages of barcode scanning system provide an array of benefits including operationally efficiency, better customer service, and improved visibility of key business information to management. A barcode label of 12 character can be wanted in approximately the time it takes a keyboard operator to make two keystrokes. Laser printer. Laser printing is an electrostatic digital printing process. It produces high quality text and graphic and moderate quality photographs by repeatedly passing a laser beam back and forth over a negatively charged cylinder called a drum to define a differently charged image. The drum thus selectively collects electrically charged provided ink and transfer the image to paper, which is then heated to permanently fuses the text, imagery, or both to the paper. As with digital photocopier, laser printer employ a geographic printing process. Laser printing differs from traditional xerography as implemented in analog photocopy. In that, in the latter, the image formed by reflecting the light of exciting documents onto the exposed drum. Invented at Xerox PRC in the 19th century, laser printer were introduced for the office and then home markets in subsequent years by IBM, Canon, Xerox, Apple, HPW, LATT, Packard, and many others. Over the decades, quality and speed have increased as prices have decreased, and the ones cutting edge printing devices are now ubiquitous. Advantages of laser printer: fast printing speed. It is a long life. Long term non printing effect will not change. It is suitable for mass printing, low cost. A low quality requirement for paper. Give good graphics quality. Their maintenance time span is longer. Its efficiency is very high. The printing cost of a laser printer is less than the inkjet printer. Let me discuss about the disadvantages of laser printer. It is high initial investment cost. The color toner cart is inexpensive. Toner is harmful to humans. The maintenance cost is high. The most laser printer would not be able to produce complex images or photos with quality similar to photo inkjet printers. Will cause environmental pollution and release ozone. Very bulky and difficult or repair. Thank you.